Greetings once again, fellow modelers. Woo-hoo-hoo. Here we are in the garage. It's spring and it's a beautiful day. Now, I've got to take advantage of the good weather because I only get a few days in between rainstorms. So what I'm doing right now is I've got my friend Igor helping me, and we're building, instead of a model, we're building a 1-to-1 full-size captain's chair for my good friend Truby Howard. Hey Truby. All right, so this is the man cave. It's a total wreck right now. I'm gonna pan around and show you. The man cave is a wreck. There is stuff everywhere. I am just now starting to clean up after the winter and organize and reorganize all my jobs. And we are working on the 1-to-1 studio scale captain's chair. So let's get to it. Woohoo! Okay, here's the top plate. I'm going to clean this up with a file and a sander, and then we're going to use this to make an inside cut for the bottom plate. Now, the blueprints do not call for a bottom plate, but I want to build this strong, so I've cut the side panels down 1/2 inch shorter so I can use the 1/2 inch plywood that we've got here for a bottom plate. This is going to hold all the weight, so I expect it to be strong, so I'm going to build it strong. I'm going to put some interior supports in it as well. When I get done with this captain's chair, it's going to outlast its owner. Well, maybe not. I hope you have a long life. Peace and long life, Truby. Okay, I've already went over the top plate and smoothed it out somewhat, not 100% just yet, but it's going to be good enough to use as a template for the cutout for the bottom plate. Now what I used here, this is a concrete rasp, but it worked to get some of the high ends, the really high edges, where it was cut, not 100%, but you know, whatever. So I used a rasp, then I used a smaller rasp, a file, a multi-purpose file, which is a half-round file and rasp. It's got a rasp on either side and a file on either side. So I used the smaller rasp to clean it up some more. Then I went over it with this half-round rough file. So that's how we got a nice smooth edge, and we will go over it again later. More to come. Okay, well, we're getting ready to call it a day. We've got the top plate done for the base. We've got all the spacers cut and several other sections, and what we're going to do is we're going to wrap up for today and get back on it tomorrow. Now, I'm probably not going to be able to walk for a couple of days, so Igor's going to be working alone tomorrow. But we're going to move forward on this, and while Igor's working on the rest of it today or tomorrow, I'm going to be working on electronics or something I can do sitting down, because my back and legs are not good. At any rate, part 1 of the original series captain's chair build is done. I'm calling it good.